So it's back out, and I've been hammering away. I don't know if you could tell. Probably not, but yeah. It's a pain in the ass. I don't want to hammer too much, and then I don't want to hammer like too little. It's kind of like a hit or miss. So I'm just gonna keep on hammering, and yeah, set you guys down and get to it. Everything's moved a lot. At first I was using this, but it wasn't really doing that much. But I mean, it was moving it, but it wasn't like this. A few more swings and she'll be probably, hopefully okay. That's a pain in the ass, but what we gotta do to make it fucking fit. So, yeah, to be continued. Oh my goodness, it's so close. It is literally right there. This side, on the other hand, is on. So like I can feel the back of the bolt. So that's good. I still need to take it out again, unfortunately. I need to hammer these a little bit more and a little bit on up in here. But yeah, for now, I'm just gonna take it out and set it back down like I did yesterday. So the motor is back out, and I did hammer a little bit more, and I definitely think that it's gonna fit now for sure. We're getting closer. I really didn't want to have to pull it out. I really just wanted to try and bolt it in, and then jack the car up and see if the trans mount fits. It's for a T56, which I don't have. We're getting there, almost there. Test fit, again. You guys know the deal. So I'm gonna yank this thing back out. I'll get with you guys back in a second. Strange news. I had my motor mounts on wrong. So the first few times I went to go test fit it, it was A, sitting too low, or B, they weren't on properly. So, but yeah, we got them on right now. I'll show you guys the right way. They were flip-flopped. So this side was on the other side, which was causing this to be face down instead of this open piece facing me. Yeah, it was faced down and low. So this is the correct orientation. That would have sucked if I got it to fit and they were in wrong. Hopefully it moves it forward much more, so that way the amount of hammering that I did can compensate for the mounts being on wrong. But yeah, hopefully it all goes well. A few more things too. I am going to be getting a rear seal kit for this, and I'm going to be also getting the front cover on the inside seal gasket, and then also the front seal. I already got one of these, a new bushing for that. I might grab the shifter bracket also. So I might just kind of refresh the gaskets and the seals on this thing. Yeah, just one more thing to do, just to make sure that it doesn't leak, because that's the last thing that I want to happen with this. Like I said before, do it right the first time, or don't do it. So yeah, those will be coming in here soon, so stay tuned. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. She's in there. Mounts in on both sides. Fully in on both sides. And for the trans, I have the, you can't really see anything, but I got 2 bolts in there just kind of holding it up. I got some things holding it up too, so just in case those bolts fail, but they shouldn't. But yeah, it's in. Super stoked. This is awesome. All right, so the next little fab project that I'm going to take on is the battery box. So it'll have a bottom sheet and then 4 pieces around it to make just a regular square, and then it'll have the God damn it. We'll have the just a regular battery strap on top. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm trying to do this the proper way. If something's not right, redo it. That's just what I've been doing my whole life. So sometimes I skew away from that, but sometimes you just gotta freaking send it, you know what I mean? But other than that, hammering is done for the most part. We'll see if I have to do that again. And then for this thing, I don't know, once I get it back in there, and if it bolts up, I'm gonna take the mount plate off and I'm gonna put the intake on it. See if I can get the harness routed through the firewall and start seeing where the harness goes. But yeah, I don't know, who knows. Also, if you guys are doing an LS swap in a 240, the motor mount kit that I'm using is just an eBay motor mount kit. The LS to S15, but it has the T56 transmission mount. I don't have a T56, so we're gonna have to find a way to make that work, cut it, re-weld it, so we'll figure that out when we get there. But yeah, just thought I'd let you guys know that that is the kit, and if you guys are, I will link it in the description. So I'll start linking some of the parts that I get in the description, so if you guys are doing this on your own, then you kind of have a general idea of what I'm doing. So yeah, just thought I'd let you guys know. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys are enjoying this, because I'm loving it. I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.